Need to replace full paragraphs across multiple Word documents? Handling them one by one manually can be tedious and time-consuming. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can get the job done safely and efficiently in just a few clicks. We have about 60 Word documents that need to be updated. We need to replace specific paragraphs across multiple Word documents, such as project descriptions, company introductions, policies, or other repeated content identified by keywords. Let's see how to batch replace full paragraphs in Word documents by keyword. Launch Ninetu File Batcher. In the left menu, click Word Tools, replace full paragraphs by keyword in Word. Add multiple Word documents or import a folder containing the files you want to process. Select the Word files you want to process, then click Next. Enter the keyword that identifies the paragraph you want to replace in the Search Keywords field, then enter the new paragraph content in the Replacement Content field. If needed, enable options such as Ignore Lettercase or Match Whole Word only to control how keywords are matched. You can also enable Highlight Replaced Content to mark the updated paragraphs in the processed Word documents, making it easier to review the changes. Click the Preview button to review the paragraph replacement pairs. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, click Next to continue. Choose an output folder, click Next, and start the replacement process. The files will begin processing immediately. Just wait for the operation to complete. Once processing is finished, review the results, including succeeded, skipped, failed, total time, and the processing log. You can also click Copy to Clipboard to save the log for later review. Open sample Word documents to verify that the paragraphs have been replaced successfully. Finally, compare the original and updated Word documents to confirm that the targeted paragraphs have been replaced correctly while the rest of the document remains unchanged. On the home page, here are some tips for using the tools. The My Favorites area on the right lets you pin frequently used tools, while the left panel displays your top 5 mostest tools. Now we are trying to add some commonly used tools. Add your commonly used tools to My Favorites so you can find them quickly next time. Click the icon at the top right of the feature page to view the usage guide. If you run into any problems, open Support from the menu and click New Support Request. Enter a short subject and a detailed description of the issue, and attach screenshots if possible to help us diagnose the problem. You can also provide us with the processing log you just copied. When you've filled everything out, click Submit. We'll review your request promptly and work to resolve the issue so it won't affect your normal use. Stop wasting hours on repetitive file updates. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can batch edit hundreds of files in minutes while keeping your data completely private. No cloud uploads. No data exposure. Work faster, stay secure, and get started today.